Hi you guys, it's Tracy here again, the Chocolate Stew. It is Travel Talk Tuesday. I'm thinking about renaming it to just Travel Tuesday. I think that's better because I won't always talk on Tuesdays. So maybe just Travel Tuesdays. So you guys, this video is about Marrakech, Morocco. My husband and I went there in September. We really enjoyed ourselves. We didn't stay as long as we thought we were gonna stay because the places we wanted to travel to would have taken too long to see different places in Marrakech, or I should say outside of Marrakech. So we kind of cut things off a little bit. So in this video, I'll give you a tour of our place where we stayed, which was very nice, very comfortable, much space, you'll see. And we found it, I believe, either Hotwire or Booking.com, one or the other. Everyone was very, I would say, very friendly. Very nice, willing to help. Now, we did run into a few snags. I'm not gonna lie. Travel isn't always perfect, if you know what I mean. For example, we went to the markets. The markets can be a little overwhelming, especially with, you know, the vendors trying to get your attention, trying to get you to buy, which is fine. That's fine. I get that. But sometimes you have like 10 different people, you know, trying to get your attention at once, and they want your attention. I don't blame them. They're trying to sell their products, so that's fine. The place that we stayed at, I don't know why, but they didn't have a working telephone. There was like 3 phones in our place, and none of them worked. So I did, you know, go downstairs and ask the receptionist, you know, hey, you know, our phones aren't working, and the response was, yeah, we know. Okay. And then there was another time where the hotel found us a driver, which was great because the driver was very informative, showed us the market, except for it was kind of touristy, we found out later. He took us to where the tourists go to. And so I'm not big on going where all the tourists go. You know, I want to go and see and eat and play where the locals do. So that was a bit disappointing. And then we went to a restaurant, the touristy restaurant, and it was expected at this restaurant that, well, I'll keep it real. So my husband went to pay for the bill, and he paid for it, and we tipped also. However, the waitress wanted more of a tip, and she took it. I'm not going to try to debate with someone, especially in another country. I'm not doing it. Maybe you guys will. I'm not doing it. If I was home in the US, you best believe we're going to have an issue. But we let it go. So, yeah. But the highlights, the food, you guys, delicious. Delicious. The people, wonderful, wonderful to talk to. We walked around a little bit, so that was nice. But in this video, you'll just see I didn't bring out my camera a lot, you guys. I did a lot of Instagram, so if you'd like to see some of our pictures and video footage from Marrakech, you can go right onto my Instagram stories under Marrakech. You'll find it right there. But I didn't bring my camera out a lot there. It's not that I didn't feel comfortable, I was just lazy. But if you get a chance to go to Marrakech, definitely go. As far as the money, we exchanged our money once we got there. I believe we exchanged our money in the airport. But I believe you can also use an ATM, don't quote me on it. If you plan on going to Marrakech, it was only our first time there, so I'm not an expert. But if you have any questions, comment below, ask me, and I'll do my best to answer your questions. Like, the markets were wonderful. For those of you that like to shop, good Lord. There was shopping for days and so many wonderful things in the market. I didn't bring home too many things because my bag was already stuffed. But, oh, absolutely a shopper's dream. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know, comment below, and I will see you in the next video. Enjoy. Here again, there's the front door as always. There you go, we got a TV here. Then it's like a desk. Entryway, couch, dining room over here. This is our apartment in Marrakech, Morocco. Full kitchen, you guys. Look at this. Got the bar stools here. Full kitchen, not that I'm gonna cook, but hey, you know. Outside of the kitchen, let's walk through this door right here. We have the terrace. Full terrace to ourselves. Isn't it nice? It's beautiful. Love it. Okay, let's go back inside. Okay. Whoa. Alright. So, in here, this is the bedroom. This is just one bedroom. Through the curtains right here, that leads to the terrace that I just showed you. And then me, hello. And then, oh, look at this. I like this. The walkway here, leading into the bathroom. Let's go into the bathroom. 2 robes right here. 2 sinks. And then, voila. Nice. Big open shower. You know I like that. And look at the entryway to that. Yeah, got a place for our bags. So, oh, and then there's a place for the toilet room. There you go. Right here. That little sink. Isn't that cute? It's really tiny. That was a nice added touch. Gave us a few biscuits. So this is the spa area, and right through here, this is nice. Look at this. You can sit over here, or they have the pool right here. So we tried the walking thing, didn't work. No. So we're back here, and now we're waiting on a taxi. Phones don't work in the hotel, so they had to use my phone to call a taxi. So we're just waiting for one.
Dates.
Oh, dates? Yes. So, our driver found this restaurant, or recommended this restaurant.
I mean, I'm also trying to get a feel for what we have to pay. Like, I like having a driver.
I have no idea what I ordered. So I'm just gonna try it out. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Right now, I'm snacking on olives, and I don't know, whatever this is that I'm eating right here. I'll show you this. It's like a taste between Vienna sausage and I don't know. Different flavor, but good. But I am definitely snacking on these olives. I love olives.
And is this all of it? Or is this the beginning?
And we demolish the salad.